Our story is filled with values, passion, and dedication. A story entirely made in Italy, the result of experimentation and innovation. Every day, we work with the aim of creating cutting-edge industrial products with the collaboration of the most important manufacturers and end users. Our team is the secret of our success. Ideas and projects are shared, discussed, and perfected thanks to the synergy between different professional skills. Whether it's tension control systems or roll handling systems, we offer innovative technological solutions that increase productivity and safety in every production plant. All products are made in Italy and meticulously prepared, inspected, and shipped to our customers every day, to be used in the most varied applications in the paper, cardboard, converting, wiring cable, and many other industries. The sales team is always ready to listen both in the design and after-sales phases. We are present internationally with a widespread network of agents and representatives to offer the best service to our customers. This is our story, the story of Renova. We never lose control.